Now we come towards the boundaries of the fossae. This is the mesial triangular fossa. It is bounded on mesial by the mesial marginal ridge, on distal by the transverse ridge, on buccal by the mesial cusp ridge of the mesiobuccal cusp, and on lingual by the mesial cusp ridge of the mesiolingual cusp. This is the central fossa, which is also triangular in shape. It is bounded on mesial by this transverse ridge, on distal by this oblique ridge, and on the buccal it is bounded by the distal cusp ridge of the mesiobuccal cusp and mesial cusp ridge of the distobuccal cusp. These two cusp ridges, distal cusp ridge of mesiobuccal and mesial cusp ridge of the distobuccal cusp, while here at the lingual side is the apex of this triangle, which is formed by the transverse ridge and oblique ridge. Just behind the oblique ridge in the lingual half, this one is the distal fossa, which is linear in shape, and it is bounded on mesial by this half portion of the oblique ridge, and distal it is bounded by this triangular ridge, which is the buccal triangular ridge of the distolingual cusp. On lingual it is bounded by this cusp ridge, which is the mesial cusp ridge of distolingual cusp, while here in its distobuccal portion it is continuous with this distal triangular fossa. Here is a door between the distal fossa and distal triangular fossa is here in the distobuccal portion of this distal fossa. This is the distal triangular fossa. It is bounded on distal by the distal marginal ridge, on lingual by this cusp ridge, which is the distal cusp ridge of the distolingual cusp, on buccal by this cusp ridge, which is the distal cusp ridge of the distobuccal cusp, and on mesial it is bounded by this half portion of the oblique ridge and this triangular ridge, which is the buccal triangular ridge of the distolingual cusp, and in between these two portions here it is continuous with the distal fossa. So the boundary of this distal triangular fossa is a bit confusing. It is bounded on distal by distal marginal ridge, on buccal by the distal cusp ridge of distobuccal cusp, on lingual by the distal cusp ridge of the distolingual cusp, and on mesial it is bounded by this buccal portion of the oblique ridge in its buccal half and this triangular ridge, which is the buccal triangular ridge of the distolingual cusp, and in the center here it is continuous with the distal fossa. So these were the boundaries of the